from the United States itself. Now, soon after Joe Biden dropped out of the race and endorsed Kamala Harris as the Democratic nominee, Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump has hit out at her and said Kamala Harris owns the entire left-wing policy record of Joe Biden. The only difference is that she is even more liberal and less competent than Joe, which is really saying something. Now, Kamala Harris will be easier to defeat than Biden, and Trump is not wasting any time to attack or take an aim at Biden's endorsed successor. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, where Trump has taken a dig at Kamala Harris. Well, Akanksha continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Akanksha, Trump is not wasting any time at all to take a dig at Biden's endorsed successor. How do we see this in the run-up for the November elections now?
It's going to be a very risky terrain now because, as I said, that this race certainly got more interesting after Joe Biden, who was being questioned for his mental acuity, decided to step down. So far, that assassination bid against Donald Trump, at the same time, that speech, which was almost seen as his resurrection point at the recently concluded RNC, had almost created a messiah figure out of Donald Trump, especially for the Republican voter base. Remember, because of Joe Biden's own ability and that disastrous performance at the last debate that we've all witnessed, there were a lot of questions about Joe Biden's own capability, turning their own Democrat supporter base as fence sitters. Many Democrats were in fact turning skeptics. They would have perhaps either voted for the Grand Old Party, given the US economy and the rising inflation, the rising cost of living in mind, or they would have perhaps chosen not to vote for either the Democrats or the GOP. But now with Kamala Harris entering this race, you do expect those fence sitters now to have more clarity. Remember, Kamala Harris is known to be somebody who's been a force behind Joe Biden, somebody who was also orchestrating those policies given Joe Biden's health and his age. So Kamala Harris is also viewed as somebody not just who, if voted to power, will become the United States First Lady President or the first president, First Lady President of South Asian descent, but also somebody who is seen as a very bright pick, and that perhaps also justifies why Donald Trump is also feeling threatened, because here's somebody who could be legit competition for the Republican candidate.
Right, Akanksha. I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast, as clearly Joe Biden dropping out from the US presidential elections has